Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and there are actually two. I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about the next one, but right now I just want to talk a little bit about GEVO, G-E-V-O. This was an AI alert right at 7, okay? Now look what happened. Popped up, came back down, and then it took out 7 again, and then it started to run. I think people get very, very antsy about the AI, thinking, man, I got to take the trade right at the time of the trade, right at the time of the alert. There's plenty of time, a lot of times, just to give it a chance to set up. Now, it got up, if you'd taken the trade right at 7, it did get up to 7.11, but it pulled back. I never, ever, ever take any of these AI alerts right at the when I get the alert. I always like to see it set up. So I was watching this one, and then I watch it, came back down through 7. The minute, though, it got back over 7, I thought, okay, maybe now's the time. And great percentage move. I don't know where this one is going afterwards, but there's a lot of time to get into these AI alerts. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to take it right at the penny. Now, I have to give a massive shout out to Zach in our trading room for HUDI. First of all, he called this one on a short right around here at 26. Now, notice what happened. This has been a high flyer for the last few weeks, and it got up to, in the pre-market, it got up to $29, and all of a sudden, look at this move down to $17. This is at 9:15. This is pre-market. Market opens, it looks like, okay, I guess it's going to just rebound. But then look what happened here. This is a 15-minute candle. And Zach called this one a short, and he suggested, now I'm not saying it's going to get down to 8, but he suggested that, this thing could get down to 8 today. I mean, and I told him he'll be on the Trade Ideas Hall of Fame on the wall if that happened. But man, oh man, what a great shout out from Zach. $26 down to, I mean, he got all the way down to 14. And I should also just briefly talk about ATEN. This is another AI alert. This is an all-time high up in these levels. This could turn into a swing trade, guys, in case it closes well. It's an earnings play, so this could turn into a swing trade because this is right now. This is an all-time high, so it could keep going higher based on earnings. So lots and lots of activity in the room today. And again, a massive shout out to Zach in the room for the HUDI call. All right, everybody, I want to get back into our room. So if you have any questions, of course, you can always email me right here. The promo is still on, 25% off, first month only or the entire year. That'll end Sunday night. I'll open the room 9 o'clock Monday morning. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.